Hi everyone, this is Bingo. Today I'm gonna shoot a neighborhood walk vlog with 천둥. 천둥 is a 5-year-old smooth-coated Chihuahua, and his coat color is pretty unique, isn't it? He tries to act tough. 천둥 absolutely loves going for walks. If he misses even one day, it's a big problem. He gets super grumpy without his walk. Up the stairs like Rocky Balboa and marking again, of course. Fertilizing the soil the natural way. And don't forget the dramatic back kick for maximum scent spread. Honestly, it feels like he's walking me. Looks like the flowers aren't fully in bloom yet. Time for a thorough investigation between the leaves. Sometimes he finds chicken bones and gets in trouble. His coat is basically camouflage. Can you even see him? No. Low energy? That means snack demand mode activated. He won't move until he gets one. Oh look, there's a military training camp, the Reserve Forces Training Center. You wanna enlist? Sharing some fertilizer with the flower pots too. There is our regular convenience store. Time for a quick coffee break. Attaboy, stay. Suddenly he gets brave in my arms. He starts barking at other dogs passing by. Just like, who are you? This is my territory. True snack time. His eyes go wide. Wow, this is amazing. This is our go-to park. For Jimmy and Park, the equipments are pretty nice. Time to loosen up and to get the body moving. On the way back, we meticulously check if they are biohazard materials. Right in front of home, he refuses to go back home. The weather is this good, and you're done already? No chance in hell. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.